Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to fix lyrics not showing on Instagram story. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you post a story on Instagram and add music to it, but the lyrics don't appear, then follow this steps to fix it. Open Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If you have an available update like mine here, go ahead and update the app. After updating, go to the app icon and long press on it. Tap on App Info, tap on Storage. Clear the app's cache, and if you remember your login credentials, then clear app data as well. Now log into the app again and try posting your story. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.